Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into your DSLD Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for DSLD Mortgage Login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of DSLD Mortgage. Wait for a while as the page will verify if you're a robot or not and take you to the official page of DSLD. You can see in the right hand side of your screen there's the login button. Click on login and it will lead you to this login portal of DSLD Mortgage. Tap in your email, your password, and you can even hide or unhide your password and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you can successfully sign in to your DSLD Mortgage account. If you have problems about your password, click on forgot password and a mail will be sent to your mail if you enter your email address in this box over here, and then you can recover your password quite easily. And if it's your first time using DSLD and you want to create an account, click on register and then create an account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log in into your DSLD Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.